Hi everyone, this is Aska Nails. In this video, I will introduce an easy way to create bubble nails that have been a massive hit this year. When it comes to the #1 design trend of 2023, it's definitely bubble nails. This is a design that is created using a needle to inject air, but some have commented on how difficult it was. So this time, I've tried a simpler method. By using something, you can easily create heart-shaped bubbles too. So please watch until the end. Now, let's get started. When it comes to the most popular nail design of 2023, it's these bubble nails. As the name suggests, it's a nail design with bubbles, and it's the hottest trend of the year. I previously introduced how to create this design in one of my videos, and it was very well received. But injecting air into the gel nails using a needle can be quite tricky. And many of you ask if there's an easier way. So this time, I'd like to introduce a method that even beginners can do easily. With the use of something, you can create heart-shaped bubbles patterns without needing an injector. Okay, let's get started. I'll be applying it to nail tips in this video, but if you plan to apply it to your natural nails, start by preparing your nails with nail care, lightly buffing the nail surface, removing oils with ethanol, and applying a base coat. First, let's apply the base color. Unlike the carbonated water-like design I did before, this time I'm going for a more vibrant, pop design, so I'll use a fluorescent color gel. When creating this bubble nail design, using a base color that is semi-transparent, often referred to as a sheer, makes the bubbles stand out more. However, if you want to use a matte color that isn't transparent, you can mix it with an equal amount of clear gel. This will transform matte colors into sheer ones. After mixing thoroughly, apply the sheer color with a brush to about 1/3 of the nail, creating a gradient effect. Once you've applied it 1/3, wipe off excess color gel from the brush and load the brush with clear gel. You don't need to apply a lot, just enough so that the bristle texture is visible. Like this is enough. With this brush, quickly blend the boundary of the color gel towards the base. This creates an easy gradient. Once the gradient is done, cure it with the light. Normally, you'd apply color gel twice, but for bubble nails, a single layer is enough to enhance the transparency. The base is ready now, so let's move on to creating the bubble pattern. The gel I'll use is the clay gel. This gel nail can be shaped by hand, just like clay. For this clay gel, you will also need a dotting pen or a toothpick. Let's use these two to create the bubble pattern. Since direct contact with clay gel can potentially cause gel allergies, be sure to wear gloves. Start by taking out some clay gel with a spatula. Once you've taken out, place it on a thick plastic sheet. Then, use your finger or silicone pressure to spread it thinly, creating a thin sheet of clay gel. Aim for a thickness of about 0.5 millimeters. Avoid making it too thick, as it will make the nails look bulky. After spreading it, place it on your nail and check the size. Place it in the center and ensure there is a slight gap around the edges of your nail. If it's too large, you can cut the stretches clay gel to adjust the size. Once you've achieved the right size, use a dotting pen to create dents in the shape of bubbles. Be careful not to penetrate through the clay gel sheet when pressing with the dotting pen. If it penetrates, the gel will flow in and you won't get bubbles, so only gently press the dotting pen. You can create oval-shaped bubbles, irregular shapes, or even heart-shaped ones like this. This is where you can create your preferred pattern. After making a few large bubbles, use the thin end of a toothpick to create small dot-like bubbles. Again, be gentle to avoid penetrating the gel sheet. Once you've done this, partially cure the clay gel sheet for about 5 seconds using a light. After the partial cure, remove it with tweezers. It's still very soft since it was only exposed to the light for 5 seconds. To prevent it from sticking to the tweezers, you can dip the tweezers in ethanol prior. After removing it with tweezers, flip the sheet over so that the bubble dents are facing your nail and stick it on. Once you place the sheet on, use a wooden stick to press around the clay gel sheet, making it thinner and ensuring it adheres well. Thin it out all around until the unevenness is gone. Then, cure it completely under the light. Finally, coat it with a non-wipe top coat. Apply it to the entire nail, smoothing out the clay gel sheet unevenness. After coating the entire nail, cure it under the light. And that's it. If it looks too thick after applying the top coat, you can use a nail file to remove any excess thickness. Be careful not to remove too much though, because there are air pockets inside. How did you find this easy bubble nails tutorial? Anyone can do it easily if you have clay gel and a toothpick, so I encourage you all to give it a go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.